Total energy consumption in India for average per capita is around 500 units per annum. Major contribution to electrical energy generation is by coal, oil basin, followed by hydro and nuclear power generating stations. Many experts are of the opinion that by 2015, the supply of oil and natural gas will have transitioned from conventional energy system to those based on renewable source. Renewable energy produces electricity from environmental friendly sources and carbon dioxide emission and pollution are negligible. First, let me take up solar energy. All forms of energy, including fossil, hydroelectric, wind, water, biomass and solar energy, where sun is the major source. Sunlight is available in abundance in our country and is not properly trapped. We have the potential energy in just 1 hour of sunlight to power the electrical needs of a full year. Solar energy requires minimum maintenance and lot of tax incentives and rebates are available from the government. Hardly there is any carbon dioxide emission and impact on the environment. Average 100 to 130 watts of energy is generated from 1 square meter of the solar panel. Energy generated is stored using a battery with controller and solar panel which lasts for 20 years. Most of the developed countries are switching over to solar electricity as one of the prime renewable source. Wind energy. In the earlier days, wind energy was used to propel ships. Wind energy came into prominence after the acute oil shortage and price shock in 1973. Production of renewable energy is mainly contributed by the wind turbines. From the last 1 decade, wind farming is gaining prominence and sizable growth has taken place since then. For total self-sustainability, wind could be combined with solar and both are found to be complementary to each other. India ranked as a wind superpower having net potential of about 45,000 megawatts only from 13 identified states. Coming to hydroelectric power. Energy crisis could be addressed more effectively by starting new hydroelectric power stations. But new hydroelectric power projects are facing stiff opposition from the local people and environmentalists. Resettlement of displaced people with lands is a major issue. Runoff in rivers is decreasing year by year due to change in environment. Biomass. All biodegradable products on earth are called biomass. Biomass is produced by all living beings on the earth. Various kinds of organic waste, including animal waste, many byproducts are the source of biomass. Burning of wood to eat or cook is one of the efficient ways used bioenergy and is a source of 3 billion people in the world. In 2005, burning of wood alone produced more energy when compared to all the nuclear energy put together. Biomass power is the largest source of renewable energy as well as vital part of waste management. United States is currently producing 7,800 megawatts of power supply only from the biomass. Dedicated energy crops are another source of woody biomass for energy. These crops are fast growing herbaceous biomass which is harvested specifically for energy production. A large amount of energy is expanded in the cultivation of sugarcane, food grains, vegetables, and fruits, which can be recovered by energy rich residues.